Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will write A to Z alphabet with sounds. So let's start. A to Z alphabets with sounds. So let's start. A. A for apple. A. A for apple. A for apple. Next, B. B for ball. B for ball. Next, C. C. C for cat. C for cat. Next alphabet is D. D. Next alphabet is D. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. Next alphabet is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next alphabet is F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. Next alphabet is G. Next alphabet is G. G for gun. G for gun. And the next alphabet is H. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. And the next alphabet is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next alphabet is J. J for joker. J for joker. The next alphabet is K. The next alphabet is K. K for kite. K for kite. And the next alphabet is L. L for loin. L for loin. The next alphabet is M. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. And the next alphabet is N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. And the next alphabet is O. O for owl. O for owl. Next alphabet is P. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. And the next alphabet is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. And the next alphabet is R. Next alphabet is R. R for rose. R for rose. The next alphabet is S. S for sun. S for sun. And the next alphabet is T. T for tiger. T for tiger. And the next alphabet is U. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And the next alphabet is V. V for van. V for van. The next alphabet is W. W for watch. W for watch. And the next alphabet is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And the next alphabet is Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. And the last alphabet is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's read. A to Z alphabets with sounds. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for loin, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. So one more time, let's read. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun. T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe my channel.